In 2020, MIRS Innovate has expanded the new drone services, Drone Light Show. We are the first company in Singapore to engage in drone light show services with more than 500 performance drones on hand. In November 2021, we performed the first drone light show in National Stadium Singapore for the opening ceremony of the AFF Suzuki Cup 2020, and the President of Singapore also present that day. In December 2021, we performed 500 drone light show for Grab's client for their Grab Pay campaign at Palawan Beach, Sentosa. In March 2022, we perform another romantic wedding proposal drone light show for a couple at Gardens by the Bay. Why everyone choosing drone shows now? Because of its huge influence and dissemination power. Compared with the previous traditional advertising format, the drone performance is novel. The investment and marketing return ratio also very high, especially through social media and local news. You are welcome to adopt this completely different communication method to improve the company's popularity. I believe you will get unexpected results.